Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all good. As you all know, Windows is going through a revamp and it's launching a K2 program which enables all its Windows devices to run optimized and reliability aspect. So in this drive, when Microsoft has released a new update, preview update KB5089573 and the build is 2600.8524. So this was already showing in my machine and I downloaded it and installed it. Now it's pending for restart. So let me show you what all the change logs for these updates. This update was around 5 GB in size, and I can show you the screen which was showing me earlier. So this was the update available sign which was showing today morning, and the preview update you can see the change logs, and this was the downloading screen. And as you have all seen, Windows requires a restart for every reboot. So in the previous update, Microsoft has released an update that we are not supposed to shut down without the update, or restart is mandatory for updating. So you can see in locks in the shutdown item, so you can lock, sleep, or update the item. If you are going into the power button, you can see update and shut down. It's almost 3 minutes, or you can directly shut down, or you can restart, or you can restart with the updates. So these are the new updates what you can see in Microsoft Windows 11 now. I will show you which build which I am running. To start with, go to systems, about. I am running Windows 11 Home 25H2 and the OS build 26008457. So this is the main website which I can show you the new updates which was showing for this update. The update was launched on May 26th. The update number is KB5089573. So the major highlight for this drive is the shared audio. With the shared audio, you can share the audio with the multiple Bluetooth devices. Before it was not available. And the magnifier is also updated with the new one. The new magnifier now supports migration of permitted protected content. So you can see the task manager as well, the new task manager which supports the NPU. If your machine is having NPU processor, then it can show you the new NPU taskbar as well. So the camera, so in this option you can allow your camera to run in multiple applications. So this is the general performance update. This update accelerate app launch and core shell experience such as start menu, search, and action center. So while some users were reporting that when they are going for search or they are starting the start menu, so the users were experiencing a lag. And one more thing I want to show you, in the previous update, these the tile option has been enabled. Earlier you were getting only the list options. Whenever you are clicking the start menu, you used to get these options. Now you are getting the grid as well, and you are getting the category as well. So Microsoft is heading to a right direction and it's listening to the users now, as many users are getting migrated to Linux. So Microsoft had decided to do something good for all the users. So I was telling you about personalization, general performance. Personalization, this update improves the color selection accuracy when adjusting your accent color to match your wallpaper. These are all the cosmetic changes. Microsoft Hello, if you are using a Microsoft laptop, you can use the Microsoft Hello option. Windows search box. Windows search will now find all priorities file and with a few as 2 characters. So the storage options, they have increased it now. USB, the update improves reliability for display attached to USB 4 docks. Sensors, this update improves resilience against, and this you can go through in your free time. As I said you earlier, this update was around 5 GB of space. And this was the screen which was showing earlier when I was about to update my operating system. Already downloaded and installation has been completed for this update. And now I will restart my laptop and I will get back to you once the restart is complete, and I will show you what all the changes what I noticed in this new update. Hi friends, welcome back. Thanks for your patience. As you can see, the OS update has been installed and I can see the OS build version as 2600.8524. If you want to check manually, you can go for CMD, or you can go for run and enter. You can write winver, WINVER, hit enter. You can also see the OS version is 25H2 and the OS build is 2600. So I will tell you the main difference what I saw it here. Actually, the Windows is enabling the low latency profile in this update so that your app's opening response gets higher by increasing the processor clock speed. I will show you by practical. I will hit settings and I will show you what all changes I found it here. I will close it here. The CPU is running at 1.46 gigahertz now. If I open settings, you can see the system response increases and the settings page opens. As you can see here, it has spiked because the low latency profile is activating the CPU processor clock speed to the highest to see the difference in app opening. You can see this app opening in all the profiles. I have opened the Copilot now. You can see here the app was response time was very low and you can see the spike here. And this works in browser's profile. You can search with any 3-digit search pattern. Let's say I want to search for the doc. So I'm just typing away start.doc. As you can see, the doc files has been searched. I will just open audio. There is no file search called audio. I will find the MP3. It is, as you can see, the MP3 profiles. I am able to see all the files. So basically the performance has improved a bit. So you also just go and install the updates, nothing to worry about, and let me know if you find any difficulty or you find this update helpful or you found any dramatic or performance increase. So do let me know. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you, friends.